Do you want to know how you can delete your MetaTrader 5 account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your MetaTrader 5 account or your MetaTrader 5 demo account. Go ahead and open MetaTrader 5, which is on your phone. Now click on the three dots icon or your three lines icon and go to manage accounts. What you need to do next is click on the three dots on the top right hand side and you can see delete account option. Waste no further time and click on delete account, and if you really want to delete your account, go ahead and click yes. This way you can see that you have deleted your MetaTrader 5 account. I hope this video about how you can delete your MetaTrader 5 account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.